Gloria Siete presents OleOleOla, social sound sharing platform. OleOleOla synchronizes the same music in a Wi-Fi connection between different platforms, iOS and Android. The app is very simple and intuitive. Let's show how it works. Someone has to be the DJ to invite people to join. Press the start button, choose the sound, select your friends, and start the party. Everyone invited receives a push notification. Accept to join. The DJ receives the confirmation. Just play and groove it. The more people join, the louder it will be. Share happiness. OleOleOla, the social sound sharing platform for your event.